When it comes to premium real estate, Ellington Properties is the name that consistently stands out. They're known for their unwavering commitments in their quality, luxury, and innovation. Ellington is one of Dubai's most trusted boutique developers. They are known for their different projects in their residential and commercial spaces. Now let's talk about their latest masterpiece, that's the Ellington Cove, which is located on Dubai Islands. While saying this, there are many other projects that were launched in Dubai Islands. The key to Ellington Cove is that it has a direct beach access. Majority of the projects, they don't have direct beach access and they were being sold at 1.9 million and above. But Ellington Cove honestly is one of the best plots. You have the unparalleled views of the sea and also you have direct beach access. Living in Ellington Cove means you're living the resort lifestyle. I mean, as soon as you wake up, if you want to go relax yourself, you have the spa there. Not only that, by the evening, if you want to enjoy some barbecue with your friends and family, well, you also have that. Not only that, apart from this, you have other features. You have the ice fountain, you have hydrotherapy, direct beach access, so many more amenities. Now, Ellington not only has gotten the best plot, like I told you, but the whole features and amenities that it has to offer us is also luxurious. Ellington Cove offers you a range of spacious units wherein you're getting 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments and a penthouse. Now, if I talk about the sizes and the prices, your one bed size at 800 square feet and prices starting from 2.1 million. Now, for the 2 bed, it is sized at 1200 square feet and the prices starting from 3.2 million. And then the 3 beds sized at 1750 square feet, price at 5.2 million. Now, all the apartments, you've gotten the unobstructed views of the surrounding, beautiful landscape views, peaceful and serene environment. All in all, you're not only getting spacious units, luxurious amenities, but also you have a stunning view. Ellington Properties always ensures that your home not only gives you the luxury, but also a comfortable payment plan and the value for your money. Now here you're getting a payment plan of 70-30. That is 70% during construction and 30% on handover. The straightforward payment plan is structured in a stress-free manner which makes it easier and flexible for investors as well as the homeowners. The project is set to be handed over in 2027. Ellington honestly has gotten in the most beautiful view in the Dubai Island. This is a great investment opportunity. Not only that, if you're looking to stay for yourself, a home for retirement, to enjoy your vacation, it is all in all a best location. So if you're interested and want to know more about Ellington Properties, their project and especially Ellington Cove, contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.